welcome to Free Beer Friday. We're in my backyard brewing on the BrewZilla Gen 4. We just dropped a video on mashing on the Gen 4. Be sure to check it out, and if you've subscribed and have notification, you may have already seen it. But we do some pretty cool stuff in there. We talk about, are we going to use rice hulls? We talk about, should we use the bag? We talk about setting up everything on our control panel. We cover it all, so be sure to watch. If you haven't done it yet, be sure to enter our monthly giveaway where we're giving away one of the Gen 4s. So go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway.
All right, now we're gonna go back up to the studio to find out this week's Kit of the Week.
So this week's Kit of the Week is Pliny the Elder, a pretty well-known beer, I think.
It's a pretty rad beer, and it's also a pleasure to have known Vinny for over 20 years now, I think, and he gave us this recipe personally, so it is awesome. To win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter the weekly giveaway. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button because we're going to be dropping new videos shortly on sparging, on boiling, and on chilling. Don't forget to enter this month's monthly giveaway where we're giving away the new Gen 4 BrewZilla. You're gonna want to win this.